Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss how to uh, put gateway in our uh, client computers. So once you saw the NIC, once you saw the network properties, you find the whole details, gateway, DNS, DHCP, and all that. So those are actually an entry which you have to make in a DHCP server, because once you allow the dynamic updates, then basically it requires the whole entry, and if you put some entries out there, then only it will be registered in your client computer, then only it will be feeded at in your client computers. But how to uh, feed it all in the server core, since it's not a GUI operating system. So let's see how to feed the gateway into the server core. So nan sh space DHCP space server. Our server's IP is 192.168.1.1. Scope is 192.168.1.0. And then set, you have to use the set command. You can take a help. For example, if I want to take a help, then a question mark, and here we have the option set. So set's configuration information, set, then question mark, then you got the option. You say option value. We have to put an option value first, then only via that option value, and the option value is 003. Basically, gateway is related to router network, and for communicating, we don't require gateway. But once we require to communicate with other networks, then we have to require gateway. We have to require network IP, and then only be able to communicate with our native network. So 003 is basically a router, and the IP address of the router is currently I want to give my own IP address. The DHCP server's IP address is 192.168.1.1, and hit enter. So how command is, you can see change the current scope context to 0, and all that is all fixed. Now let's do now network connection properties status. You can see gateway is currently blank, and only DHCP server IP address is popping up. So what we're going to do is just to command cmd run as administrator. Yes. And renew. Work network, and you can see immediately it's telling me not only gateway is added, but immediately it telling me that I am now added in the network. Before it was unidentified network, because we were just getting the IP from DHCP server, but the identification of the network was nothing. Now is this networks belong to 192.168.1.1. So whatever is the network is, we don't know. but it's now belongs to a network. It's now that this user is now belongs to the network. So this is how you're able to put gateway in the server code.